slightly modified, not finished yet. Needs a little tidy up and some paint. Before it was quieter than a dishwasher or a washing machine. Elevate lines, back tyres getting ready for a new one, discs and pads, a few bits of rust here and there. I ride all year round. Paint's rubbed away where my boot is, same, bit worse the other side. Rear rugger, standard exhaust hanger, but I have got a tail tidy that will come with the bike as well, and also a few other bits. Nice loud horn, indicators, hazards on both of them working. High beam's just been changed to an higher bulb, 130. I turned it off instead of pressing light bulb. 130 brightness. Indicators at back. Parking light's gone at minute when I change that bulb. Back brake. Front brake. Sounds much better. Dual lever brake lines at front. Turn hazards off. 35. Like I said, it needs a back tyre, bit of paint here and there. But I do ride all year round, that's all it downside. I'm a proper biker, man. Look, worn away. And again. Cleans up nice though. 7-year-old, few marks here and there. Rust in there. So I painted, well, put that rust stuff on and it turned it all black.